and jelly sandwich. This half of the room is telling him, this half of the room is telling her. Go.
Grab your bread. Where's your bread?
I need you to open the styrofoam pot.
Take it off.
Right, take out the Ziploc and put it on the paper towel. And put the box on the floor, or right there.
He said open the jelly, not the bread.
Yeah, they said that.
Oh, they did earlier? Okay.
And wait, close the jelly. Oh wait, no,
Like, he told you to take this part. Oh, yeah. Hot dog, no. What was that? Hot dog or a hamburger?
and put the cap back on.
I need you to take
Open
your
the cap,
plastic
not
knife.
not the container.
Okay, stab it out where the bread
Turn
is
it
not.
upside down, above the bread.
More than one person be telling the instructions.
Squeeze it gently.
No more Wyatt.
Put 3 drops.
Now put your finger in there.
Put it down. Hold it.
Not at the
Put it down.
Wyatt, no more.
Take the knife up.
Rip the bag and finger
Now
down.
spread the jelly on the bread.
Now take one slice of bread right in the elbow. Perfect. Now Haley, you take the peanut butter out.
Take the jelly. Is there peanut butter?
Huh?
Grab the little plastic one.
Take it off the
Peel peanut butter lid
Grab the hand.
off peanut butter.
Grab the clear part and the red part.
Wyatt.
Grab knife,
Other people.
Take the knife.
scoop peanut butter
Put
with
2
knife.
scoops with the knife onto the bread.
Take knife with peanut butter, smoosh on bread. Spread it, peanut butter.
Can I get that? Can you move this box on this other table right now?
Again.
Now put.
Stab peanut butter with knife
He's
again.
making his own thing
Stab peanut butter. Stab peanut butter one more time.
Close the bread.
Close the bread.
now. Pick both pieces of bread up.
Error.
Slap it.
Pick both pieces of bread up.
This is not slapping.
And put them together with the peanut butter and the jelly facing each other.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
He's a computer, he can't see.
Okay.
This is it.
Grab other slice of bread.
Well, he wants to eat it, so tell him to take a bite.
Put next to other slice of bread.
Hey, throw that over here now.
Take jelly.
Okay, somebody besides Emma.
Take yourself
Now swallow it without.
Kevin, be quiet. Somebody else. Don't choke.
Don't do that. Don't do that. Chew it. Chow it down.
Is he cleaned up?
Oh. You gotta finish.
All right, Zach cannot clean. Zach and Camden, be quiet. Wyatt, still be quiet. My baseball player, my football player, soccer player, tell him how to clean up. I said, oh yeah, well, you know. Rudy and Tajay, tell him how to clean up. He can if he wants to.
Open the box. Now grab 2 slices of the plastic bag in the box. Do we want towels on our peanut butter and jelly? Put a paper towel in the box. Yeah, I feel like we're done.
Well, not yet.
Not yet.
Well, I mean, we gotta get something like this. Perfect. Everybody ready to say what we have?
Wyatt, Quiet, stop helping. Philip, give him an instruction. He's not done yet.
And I'll slide the crumbs off the desk.
Do we have to clean up?
Yeah, you gotta clean up.
I didn't do that.
Look like a vacuum.
Since the box is destroyed,
Don't do that.
We didn't say to do that. It's going well.
yeah,
It's going
fold
well.
over
I think
untied.
they don't need to do it.
Oh, yeah. Take,
Hold one more time.
yeah.
One more time now.
Yeah.
No germs getting in
Oh
there.
my god, that's beautiful.
Take bag, put in destroyed box.
Maybe chocolate up first.
Oh, yeah.
We wanna keep that. We don't top it on the sandwich.
Yeah, did you guys let him eat his chocolate yet?
Oh, you can eat your chocolate.
Jaden, you gotta tell him how.
Oh,
Open.
No, Jaden, do it.
In box.
Take the
Put it back in.
He can't see Jaden.
Oh, okay.
Okay, also put the.
Use your words only.
Box, please.
With the knife and
With the knife.
and the other paper.
Yep.
Now eat.
Jaden?
Oh, wait, okay, okay,
Wait, is that
take
open?
the chocolate out.
Yeah.
Hershey bar.
There you go. And now put the paper over.
I'll need you to take
Peel,
the silver
wrap.
part, the top part of it. Both hands. Now move your hands in opposite directions.
I'll put the jelly.
Vertically, vertical direction.
There you go.
Yeah.
Alright, now this is not how I wanted that to go.
Without the wrapper.
Consume with the wrapper.
Oh, you won. What I did.
I mean, it's vertical.
The computer's on top, dude.
I'm done. I can talk.
It's like I'm talking. You think about it?
Consume.
Consume with sentience.
Did we take this stuff?
Can you have chocolate? I didn't even think to ask that.
Desire chocolate.
Okay.
It's a computer. It doesn't desire things.
Not yet. Why did they stop?
Yeah, she's done.
Alright.
All right, good job, guys.
Oh, it was so hard.
And how to make his sandwich. Go.
Open container.
Oh.
Peel off tape.
I didn't even know it had tape on it.
You didn't hear me.
Open
Okay,
container.
now-
Yeah, it's gonna make you bring the bag too. Grab bread. Grab bag.
Open bag.
Move bread.
Grab bread. There you go.
Throw it.
No,
Don't do that.
Grab one slice of bread.
He doesn't have a knife.
Yeah, there's a third one in the bag.
You just can't stand up.
I think there's a third one in the bag.
No, there isn't.
Oh,
Drop one on the floor.
There's one on the floor.
oh, it's dirty.
You can wipe it off. It's okay.
No, his is clean. Yours was clean. His is clean.
You dropped one, but
Oh, that's right, I did.
use your fingers to spread it.
this is not.
That's okay.
No.
All right, figure it out without a knife. Go ahead.
Yeah, you just have to grab container of peanut butter.
What might you want to do so that you guys can see what the computer is doing?
Throw it away.
No, not you.
Rotate box. This.
Okay, that works.
Yeah, when you're done with it.
Open container of peanut butter.
Peel container.
One.
Peel lid on container with peanut butter.
What does this computer have? Windows 10?
Okay.
Take finger.
2 fingers.
No, don't make him do that. Don't make him do that.
I'm for real about eating this sandwich.
There's another way he can do it. No, without using his fingers.
I know, but I can't speak.
Squeeze it over the bread.
Squeeze container.
You got it,
Keep going.
computer. You got it.
Keep going, computer.
Just keep
You're almost there.
Almost there.
Come on,
Yup.
computer. There you go.
Yup.
There you go,
Perfect.
computer.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah. I was just scoop it on there a little bit.
Oh wait, he can use it.
Okay, just spread. Just
Okay, now
spread
spread.
peanut butter.
He can put
That's how
his
you do
fingers
it.
in the bag, so he doesn't get his fingers dirty.
Oh, that's so true.
Someone can
Please
tell
show
me
us
that.
bread.
I can't talk.
We're gonna make this computer work for it. If you want to make a sandwich, this is what's gonna happen.
Please show bread with peanut butter on it.
This is not nearly enough.
No.
Now you got to promote.
Hey, that was
Continue.
bad.
Jaden had it right. So did Wyatt.
Okay, now hold it like that, spread it on the sides.
Please show bread with peanut butter.
We got it. Okay.
That's creamy.
That's
It
creamy.
looks crunchy.
It's just because there's barely anything on there.
Camden, you might want to move over here.
Put,
So you can see.
okay, Put down bread. Put one of your fingers in the bag. And then scoop it with the peanut butter.
That's what I like.
Alright.
Now spread it on the piece of bread.
Go ahead, you can. Yeah, I know. It took him long enough, huh?
Why did that take us so long?
Hmm?
Napkins over here.
You can just put however much.
On the paper towel.
The desired amount of peanut butter.
Take bag off of it, not touching the bread. Now put it on top of the other slice of bread, but grab that slice of bread. No.
Huh? What?
The other two.
That was convoluted.
Perfect.
Instructions not clear.
Perfect.
Now what?
Down bread on table.
Ew.
Okay, Loki, pick up the bread off the table.
You did.
Put it
Somebody will eat it.
on top of plastic bag.
Okay, there we go.
I imagine the jelly is open.
It is. It is open. That's the
Please
one
check
that's-
and see.
Grab jelly.
You don't know how to do that.
Open lid.
There you go.
Confirm that jelly is open.
Squeeze.
Flip it. Flip it.
Oh, flip it upside down.
Squeeze for approximately 5 seconds. Wow.
Oh.
Yeah, you gotta squeeze a little bit, Peter.
Oh,
Are we
there
done?
we go. Okay.
Grab bread with jelly.
made him put all the jelly.
The whole pack.
I guess I'm making you stick your finger back in this bag so you can spread that jelly.
If we press it down on
Yeah,
the
we
slice
should
of
just-
peanut butter on it, it should fly and stuff.
Okay, say what you said in an algorithm, Liebem.
Grab bread, put upside down on peanut butter bread.
Now
It's
press.
press down,
Press.
now gently. There you go.
Sandwich.
With the precision of a surgeon.
Okay, is he done?
No, we have to clean up.
Okay.
Wait, what is he's got something else.
Put it in
Chocolate.
the chocolate. Yeah.
That's after you clean up.
That's
The
your
chocolate.
chocolate. The chocolate is your
That's for after
Peter,
you
please
clean
grab
up.
napkin.
Go get the napkin for him, boy.
I didn't know if I could or not. It's not him.
Well, that's because he's a computer. He can't move.
I was being nice.
Oh.
No, not you, him. He moved too.
Okay. Now,
Take sandwich and put on piece of paper.
That's what you think.
perfect. Okay. Now put the bag in the container. Now close
Is there
it.
chocolate in there?
Yeah?
Oh,
Get
wait,
the.
wait, wait.
Computer.
Take chocolate out of container.
Give it to Kevin.
Close container.
Now close container.
completely.
and now put the tape back. If you-
Alright, I'll close it if it's not necessary.
All right.
Chocolate?
You made.
No.
Move that jelly, Peter. Do what you got, Peter. Should we make him fold his sandwich first and then eat his chocolate?
April.
How do you fold
I think
his
we need to
sandwich?
put
I
the
mean,
sandwich
fold
like
it.
on another side, because this is a little, it's not gonna wrap very well.
Peter, grab sandwich. Move back from a little bit from where you just had it. Hey, that works.
There you go.
Yeah.
That works.
Fold, take other half and take a towel over the sandwich. Perfect.
Instead of in the middle.
Nobody knows how to fold.
It'll work.
Okay.
Trying to think of how I would do that. You can't just tell him to fold it. What if you just fold it down?
Topher, you got any instructions for him?
Take the side of the paper and then put it over each other.
He's got two sides. You said the side.
I said sides.
Okay.
Said sides.
Yeah, sides is,
Sides.
sides is good.
Plural.
Okay.
Okay.
You gotta do
Come on,
this
Topher,
one
lead
too,
us.
Tony.
Come on over.
You gotta do the hokey pokey.
You got the other
It's
side.
a game.
Look at where it goes.
You know what? It works.
Right, that works.
It worked. There you go.
It's not perfect.
Somebody let the boy eat his chocolate?
Oh, pick up, now take fingers.
Don't show him.
Oh, tear paper.
That happened to me too.
Try it together. Try it together.
Try again, Jaden.
Flip it over.
Now,
Wow.
flip it over,
Flip the
turn
candy over.
over.
There you go.
Now repeat
Try
the same
again.
action.
Oh,
He did exactly what you told him.
I guess, I just hope, was wishing.
Take flat.
Take flat.
There's a flat here, it's flat. You use the flat. There you go.
You look Pokemon today.
Now
Does he know
tear
what Pokemon
from
that
the
is?
Yeah,
top.
he's a computer.
Oh my god,
Oh, looks like he knows.
He knows. Oh my goodness.
Pull the flap away from the rest of the container.
Now,
Chocolate out of the container.
remove all paper.
Consume chocolate.
Consume desire.
Consume chocolate.